Welcome. Thank you for taking some time out of your day to spend focusing on your well-being. If you've ever felt like your mind is a browser with too many tabs open, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you that meditation isn't about emptying your mind or sitting in a cave for hours. It's simply the art of noticing. In this 10-minute guided session, we're going to practice the fundamentals of mindfulness together. Whether you have tried meditating before or are just starting, this is the perfect place to start. There is no perfect way to meditate. It just comes down to what makes you feel the best. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple tool you can use anytime, anywhere to find your calm. So let's begin. First, let's get comfortable. You don't need a special cushion or a specific pose. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor or cross-legged on a rug. The goal is to be alert but relaxed. Rest your hands gently in your lap or on your knees. If you feel comfortable, gently close your eyes now. If not, just soften your gaze and look at a spot a few feet in front of you. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a long, slow exhale through your mouth. Let's do that one more time. Inhale energy. Exhale tension. Now, let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Don't try to change it, just observe it. Notice where you feel the breath most clearly. Is it the cool air entering your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest, or the expansion of your belly? Your mind will wander. That is what minds do. You might start thinking about your to-do list or a conversation from yesterday. Here is the secret. The moment you realize your mind has wandered, that is the meditation. That moment of awareness is a win. Simply acknowledge the thought. Let it go like a cloud passing in the sky, and gently, very gently, bring your attention back to your breath. Stay with the sensation of the inhale and the release of the exhale. There is nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do. As we sit here, notice the weight of your body against the chair or the floor. Notice the temperature of the air on your skin. If there's any tension in your jaw or shoulders, let it melt away now. Feel the surface of the floor resting against the bottom of your feet. Feel your stomach rise and fall with each breath. Feel your body release any built-up stress and begin to relax into these feelings. You are practicing the skill of being present. You are doing great. This skill helps get our mind off of the things that have happened or have yet to happen, and help it to focus on being in this present moment right now. The more we breathe into this moment, the more we are able to relax. Now it's your turn to practice. I will leave you here for the next few moments to practice this skill of being present. If thoughts arise or your mind wanders, remember that is okay. Realizing that means you are successfully practicing the art of meditation. Let those thoughts drift away like a leaf floating in a pond, and bring yourself back to the present moment. Enjoy these next few moments of peace, and I will return to help wrap up this meditation practice. Slowly start to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a second to notice how you feel right now compared to 10 minutes ago. Meditation is a muscle. The more you show up for these few minutes, the stronger your calm muscle becomes. If you enjoyed this session, please hit the like button. It helps this guide reach others who might need a moment of peace today. Don't forget to subscribe for our weekly guided sessions. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste, and I'll see you in the next video.